Hello students, how are you all? Hope you are fine and safe. I'm Joella teacher here from St. Paul High School Mira Road and I will be teaching you EVS subject for standard 3rd. In previous video we learned about chapter number 3, that is animal shelter, and in this video we are going to continue with that chapter. So today we'll have a small recap on what we had learned in previous video. So we'll start with the subtopic animals, those build shelter for themselves. Students, to begin with, I want to ask you few questions. Why do we need houses? We need houses as house is a place where we feel safe and comfortable. We live in houses to protect ourselves from cold weather, gusty winds, scorching sun, and heavy rains, and also from thieves. Okay? Now tell me, do animals need home? Yes, all birds, animals, insects all need a home. A home makes everyone feel secure and comfortable. Now, what is this home? Home means shelter. So, let's learn about our lesson animal shelters. Do you remember the definition of shelter? How many of you remember? Who will tell me? Okay. Shelter is a safe place where one is protected from any danger. A place where one is protected from the sun, rain, wind, etc. So we'll continue now with the lesson. In this chapter, we are going to learn about few subtopics. First one, animals who build shelters for themselves. This topic we already covered in last video, that is part 1, right? In that video we learned about few birds, insects and animals who build shelter for themselves. Birds like weaver birds and tailor birds. And insect, which insect we learned? Yes, honeybees. And what about the animals? We learned about rats and mice, right? Okay. We are going to start with second subtopic, that is animals that find ready shelters in the surrounding. And last one is shelters for domestic animals. Okay. So students, like us, animals also need shelters. Some animals build shelter for themselves and some animals find shelter in the environment. Now children, we will move on to next subtopic, that is there are animals that find ready shelter in the surroundings. Children, you must have seen there are some animals, they don't build their own shelter. They don't want to make any effort to make a shelter for themselves. They simply look around for a safe place. You must have seen doves and pigeons which live near our houses. They find shelter in gaps in walls. Some pigeons live in small hollows, in high cliffs. Some lives in forest. Okay? And students, all of you know where tigers, leopards and hyenas live? Yes? Where they live? They live in caves. Okay? So they don't make their own shelter, but they find the shelter. Children, All of you have seen bats. They live in tall trees. Some live in dark caverns, in mountains. They also find shelter in old deserted tumble down buildings. Okay? Students, do you know where cobra lives? The cobras live in holes. It is believed that cobra lives in ant hill. But that is not true. They live in holes. Now let's learn about third subtopic, that is shelters for domestic animals. When people keep animals, they build shelter for them. A cow shed is built for cows. The shelter built for horses is called a stable. And the shelter built for hens is called the chicken coop or hen house. All of you have learned all this in previous classes, right? Okay. So students, how many of you have pets? Is it right to keep animals in cage? No, for our pleasure, to keep them in cage is not right. So, let them live their own life in natural surroundings. Okay? Students, let's revise what we have learned. See, first point. Animals and human beings need a shelter to protect themselves from the cold, wind, sun, and rain. Some animals build their own shelters. Then, some animals look for ready shelter in their surroundings. And the last point that we learned is we build shelter for the animals we keep. Okay? So, here we have finished with this lesson and now we'll move on to homework part. All of you note down all these questions and write answers in your notebook. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First one, the nest of birds are not all dash. Second, the dash bird is smaller than the sparrow. Third, some animals do not make any dash to build shelters for themselves. Fourth, tigers, leopards, and dash live in caves in mountains. And last, that is fifth one, the shelter made for a horse is called a dash. All of you have to search answers from your textbook and write. Okay? Question number 2 is match the following animals and their shelters. Next question is question number 3. Answer the following questions. First question is what does the tailor bird use to stitch its nest? Question number 2 is how do birds make their nest soft and warm? Third question, why do mice and rats not enter houses built with cement? And the last question is question number 4, what material do ants use to make ant hills? Students, I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you liked it. Okay, so you have to do your homework. All the questions that I have given you, you have to write down in your notebook and search answers and write. Okay? Bye student. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.